welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing a little studio vlog behind the scenes. I have some stickers to make, some orders to pack. I also got some Amazon orders. I ordered a bunch of stuff to take some new photos, so I'm going to show you everything I got. So it is currently Sunday, February 11th at 2:08. It is actually Super Bowl Sunday. I am not a huge sports person. My fiance will be watching it, but I'll probably be sitting next to him reading and kind of watching it. Last August, I got into reading and I've kind of become like obsessed with it. This is my collection so far. I really love it. I'm really into like fantasy romance books. So if you like reading, definitely let me know some of your favorite books in the comments below. But yeah, usually Sundays, so Sundays are my only full day off from my 9 to 5. Saturdays I'm on call for 3 hours, but Sunday is my full day off from work, which is really nice. If you didn't know, I do still have a full-time 9 to 5 job. I'm also a student. I'll be graduating in May and I'm so excited to finally be done. And then I work on my shop part-time. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this studio vlog. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little tour of my studio slash craft room and show you some stuff that I ordered from Amazon. So I also got some packages from Amazon. I ordered some stuff to take some new photos. So let's unbox these and let me show you what I got. So I ordered a few things that will hopefully help enhance my photos because I want to update my photos on my website. So I ordered like little trays, like cute scissors and fake plants. Okay, so this is when you first walk in. So there's everything I just unboxed from Amazon. Here is where I do all of my editing and stuff. I would love to put a Tab's Art Shop light up sign up there. But yeah, this is where I do all of my editing. Then we go over here and this is like my heat press station. I have some random like washi tapes and scissors and stuff. And then in the drawers below my heat press, I have all of my transfers. Those are two like junk shelves. We won't even look at those. I got some lights, so if it's dark out, or if it's cloudy, I need some extra lights. I went ahead and ordered those. We have my Shopify counter, all my washi tapes, some cards, just some notebooks and random stuff, a little tab sign. And then we have my label printer, my laptop, my Cricut printer. So that's more of like my workstation area. So we have my cutting machine. There's a box of empty inks so I can recycle those. This is where I keep all of my sticker paper. Then we have like my tripod, another studio light. Then we have, keep all of my bookmarks. I need to get another one of these because this is filling up really fast. Then we have my sticker drawers. Dry erase board. And then this is where I keep all of my cellophanes. And then I have some my card paper, my bookmark paper. That's just like more random paper. Book press stuff behind those. Random slime. TikTok made me buy it. More sticker drawers. I need to get some more of these and put one there. And also maybe put one up here because I'm running out of space for those. My laminator, I just have some photos up there. And then this is all of my packing stuff. So I have envelopes, bubble mailers, boxes, more boxes, poly mailers. And that is just a random thing of old screen printing stuff. So yeah, that is my craft room. So in case you didn't see my YouTube short or my video on Instagram or TikTok, I actually am now offering all of my bookmarks without laminate. I know a lot of people do not like the feel of laminate, so I wanted to give you guys the option to still order my bookmarks. These ones are gonna be matte. They are made with 120-pound cardstock. They still look really pretty. The colors print really nicely, and they're really soft. So they are gonna be thicker than normal paper, but they still have a lot of flexibility to them. So I just wanted to mention that here, that if you've ever wanted to purchase my bookmarks, but you don't like laminate, you now have the option to get it without. So this customer ordered one of my strawberry bookmarks. So we're just going to cut that out and get it ready and then pack their order. I do have a full tutorial on how I make bookmarks over on my channel. If you're curious about any of the products I'm using or any furniture in my room, I do have most of everything on my Amazon storefront. I will have that linked down below. So now we're going to start working on Dana's order. They ordered a bunch of stickers and some of my keychains and a lanyard. I had most of the stickers already made, but I need to make this black cat one and the mushroom. In case you're wondering, why are you putting tape on your sticker sheet? And basically I'm covering the registration lines because a lot of the time whenever you're using glossy paper, it'll actually blind the Cricut sensor and then either it won't read or the cuts will be off. But you can check out my How I Make Stickers video for more details, and I walk you through how I get it from Procreate all the way to Cricut and how I cut it. So Dana ordered 5 stickers. I do 5 for $13 on my shop. So they ordered a bunch of cute stickers, including this mushroom one. This is actually one of my very first designs. So they also ordered my mushroom lanyard, and I actually make all of my own packaging. So you can see here, I'm actually using this little bookbinding tool to make holes into this backing card so then I can put the keychain through. So I just use these little ties and then I loop the keychain through, and I just think it looks nice and professional once it's packaged together. If you ever want to see your order packed on video, just leave a note before you check out, and I can either film it during a studio vlog or do one on TikTok or Instagram. But thank you so much for watching. My camera actually ends up dying, but at least it waited until I was done packing this order. But don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.